Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Dremel Tips is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone who owns a rotary tool, transforming a simple handheld device into a powerhouse capable of tackling an incredible array of tasks from intricate carving and precise sanding to polishing, grinding, and even cutting through various materials, making the right selection crucial for achieving professional-grade results on your DIY projects or crafting endeavors. Number 5. WORKPRO 476 PCS Rotary Tool Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for sanding and cutting tasks. It includes various sanding papers, bands, flap wheels, and multiple types of cut-off wheels for diverse materials. You'll find all the essentials for precise work. Beyond sanding, this set offers a wide array of grinding and drilling bits. From diamond drills to HSS drill bits and various grinding stones, it equips you for intricate carving, polishing, and drilling. These tools ensure you have the right bit for every detailed project. Equipped with 4 collets of different sizes, this kit ensures a perfect fit for various tasks. It's designed to be compatible with most rotary tools on the market, including popular brands. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this set helps you achieve your DIY dreams effortlessly. Every accessory in this collection is crafted for precision and long-lasting performance. Made from high-quality materials, they are built to withstand rigorous use and deliver excellent results every time. A detailed instruction manual is also included to help you master their use quickly. All these accessories come neatly organized in a durable, transparent storage box. It's not only beautiful and lightweight for easy transport but also waterproof and moisture-proof, protecting your tools. This case also makes an excellent gift, perfect for starting DIY projects with friends. What we like. This kit is a true powerhouse, offering an incredible 476 pieces for every conceivable task. With its wide array of accessories and multiple collet sizes, it's designed to tackle any DIY project you can imagine. If you're a beginner or an experienced user looking for an all-in-one solution that covers every base, this extensive set is your ultimate companion. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. Number 4. WORKPRO 276-piece Rotary Tool Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your DIY projects. It includes a full range of accessories for cutting, grinding, sanding, and more. Tackle any task with ease and precision. These accessories are designed for all-purpose use across various materials. Whether you're cutting, grinding, sanding, carving, or polishing, they deliver exceptional results. Expand your creative possibilities. You can confidently use them on most ferrous and non-ferrous metals. They are also perfect for refining castings and smoothing welded joints. Achieve professional finishes every time. For fine detail work, these accessories excel on challenging materials like jade, ceramic, and glass. They also perform beautifully on wood, hardened steel, cast iron, and stainless steel. Precision is now within your reach. Featuring a standard 1/8-inch shank diameter, they offer universal fitment. This means you can use them with all major brands of rotary tools. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing equipment. The kit comes in a durable, reusable storage case. This makes organizing and transporting your accessories incredibly easy. Keep your workspace tidy and your tools protected. What we like. This kit provides a solid 276 pieces, offering a balanced selection for various common rotary tool applications. Its universal 1/8-inch shank ensures compatibility with all major brands, making it a flexible choice for any workshop. If you need a reliable, all-purpose accessory kit that works with your existing tools and covers essential cutting, grinding, and polishing needs, this is a great fit. What people say. Number 3. Drilax Diamond Drill Bits for Stone and Glass. Introducing the Drilax Diamond Drill Bits, your solution for precision work. These bits are engineered to create tiny holes without cracking your most delicate materials. They gently grind, ensuring your precious pieces remain intact. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with its precision micro sizes. This set includes 1 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm bits, perfect for intricate jewelry and craft projects. They allow for clean, accurate holes where standard bits are too large. This comprehensive 30-piece value pack ensures you always have a fresh bit ready. Diamond bits naturally wear over time, but with this bulk set, you can work without interruption. It guarantees consistent results across all your creations. Designed with a universal 1/8 shank, these bits fit Dremel and most standard rotary tools. They are easy to install, making them perfect for handheld precision work in any studio or workshop. These are specifically designed for glass, ceramic, shells, beads, and soft stone. They produce smooth, round holes with minimal chipping, ideal for all your jewelry making and craft applications. For optimal results and extended bit life, always use these bits with water. Wet drilling reduces heat and protects your delicate materials. Apply light pressure and low speed for clean cuts every time. More than just for drilling, this versatile set also excels at widening holes, smoothing edges, and shaping small materials. It's an essential tool set for makers who demand precision and control in their craft. What we like. These diamond drill bits are engineered for extreme precision, allowing you to create tiny, clean holes without cracking delicate materials. With micro sizes like 1 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm, they are perfect for intricate jewelry making and detailed craft projects. If you work with fragile items like glass, shells, or gemstones and require flawless, chip-free drilling for your artistic creations, this set is indispensable. What people say. Number 2. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. This versatile kit comes with 69 accessories, perfect for all your DIY fine work. It's designed for precision, not heavy-duty tasks. Experience unparalleled control with its 5-speed adjustment, ranging from 5000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. You can easily select the ideal speed to match any project's power demands. This ensures optimal performance in various scenarios. Its compact and lightweight design makes it feel like holding a pen, offering ultimate control and precision. This mini tool is incredibly comfortable to use, allowing you to take it and work anywhere, anytime. Equipped with a 3.7V rechargeable battery, it provides over 200 minutes of continuous use. Charging is simple and convenient thanks to its universal USB interface. This ensures you're always ready for your next project. The upgraded model features a blind spot lighting LED design. This innovative light reduces shadows, overcoming the challenges of dark areas for more precise work, especially with materials like resin. It truly enhances your overall experience. What we like. This mini cordless rotary tool offers unparalleled portability and convenience, allowing you to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Its 5-speed settings and compact, pen-like design provide ultimate control and precision for fine detail work. If you're a crafter or DIY enthusiast who values freedom of movement, precise control for intricate tasks, and easy USB charging, this tool is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Dremel Grinding Stone Sanding Bits. These grinding stone sanding bits are your go-to for a wide range of tasks. They can sharpen various tools, remove rust, and smooth out rough edges with ease. From sharpening lawn mower blades and knives to deburring metal castings and smoothing welded joints, they handle it all. You'll find them indispensable for many projects. Featuring bullet and cylinder shapes, these bits are designed for precision. The bullet shape fits tight spaces, while the cylinder shapes are perfect for general smoothing and shaping. Crafted from high-quality aluminum oxide, they are incredibly durable. This material ensures extended use and can even tackle tough materials like stainless steel. With a standard 1/8-inch shank, these bits offer wide compatibility. They fit most Dremel rotary tools, electric drills, cordless drills, and die grinders. You receive a comprehensive set of 42 pieces, including various cylinder and bullet shapes. They also come with a convenient reusable storage case to keep them organized. What we like. These grinding stone bits are crafted from durable aluminum oxide, making them tough enough for demanding tasks like metal rust removal and sharpening. Their various shapes, including cylinder and bullet, allow for versatile applications, from smoothing welded joints to deburring. If you frequently work with metal, need to remove rust, sharpen tools, or smooth rough edges on tough materials, these long-lasting and effective bits are exactly what you need. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.